Genesis framework offers a novel interpretation of physical reality that doesn't necessarily aim to replace existing theories or invent new mathematics, but seeks to expand the conceptual space within which we understand the universe. Here's a detailed exploration of how this framework approaches the ideas of space, time, and gravity. Curved space as process space. Traditional physics, particularly general relativity, views gravity as the effect of curved spacetime caused by mass and energy. The Genesis framework, however, posits that what we perceive as curved space is actually the visual manifestation of a dynamic, ongoing processing of space itself. This processing is an inverse rate phenomenon that, while mathematically analogous to 2D curved space, actually occurs within a 4D spatial framework. Time as a measure of processing speed. In this framework, time is redefined not as a dimension parallel to space, but as a metric of the speed at which space is processed into a lower entropy state. This redefinition aligns with aspects of the holographic principle, suggesting that what we experience as the flow of time is the rate at which gravity encodes three-dimensional space into a four-dimensional informational structure. From projection to memory. Unlike traditional interpretations of the holographic principle, which often suggest our universe is a kind of projection from a lower dimensional boundary, the Genesis framework views the holographic aspect as a memory layer. This layer isn't projecting reality, but storing it, creating a continuously updated archive of the universe's state at every moment. 4D space as a continuum of memory. The holographic memory in the Genesis framework isn't static or merely reflective. It's dynamic and integral to the function of the universe. It captures the informational essence of space as it is processed by gravitational forces, preserving it in a form that transcends traditional three-dimensional constraints. Technology and understanding. Recognizing space as an actively processed, stored phenomenon could dramatically change how we interact with and manipulate the physical world. Technologies that can directly interface with or alter this 4D informational continuum might become possible, leading to advancements in fields ranging from quantum computing to space travel. Philosophical and scientific expansion. By proposing that time and gravity are deeply entwined with the processing and storage of space, the Genesis framework encourages a broader philosophical reflection on the nature of reality. It suggests that our universe is more intricately connected and informationally rich than traditionally conceived. The Genesis framework doesn't challenge the validity of existing physical theories as much as it offers a broader context in which to understand them. It provides a conceptual model where curved space and the passage of time are aspects of a deeper, informationally based reality. This approach doesn't just reshape our understanding of the cosmos. It opens up new avenues for both theoretical exploration and practical application, hinting at a future where our interaction with the universe is as much about information and memory as it is about energy and matter. By modeling the universe as a continuum where higher dimensional spaces influence and govern the flow of energy and information, the Genesis framework opens new pathways for understanding and correcting anomalies in bioelectric signaling. This approach not only aims to explain, but also to rectify the disturbances that lead to diseases, using our advanced understanding of how energy and information flow through higher dimensional spaces. Learn more about the Genesis framework by John R. Coates, Jr.